Hello, I am Anne Salter and you're watching the news from International Business Times UK. On the eve of the Holocaust Memorial, the head of the Simon Wiesenthal Nazi-hunter group says the search for Nazis will continue regardless of how much time has passed since the end of the war in 1945. Efraim Zuroff, known as the chief Nazi-hunter, is in charge of Operation Last Chance and tasked with hunting down the few remaining Nazis still alive.
It's still critical to bring Nazis to justice. One is that the passage of time in no way diminishes the guilt of the killers. The fact that they were able to elude justice for many years doesn't change anything. Two, we don't think old age should protect people who committed mass murder. We're obviously at a very late stage. In another few years, 2 or 3 years, this will no longer be possible. So it should be done as quickly as it can be done.
Master Weiss, who is a Holocaust survivor from Hungary, asked why mercy should be shown even after many years when Jews didn't have the same consideration.
My feelings about any Nazi war criminal is that they were very lucky that they've been able to live for 67 years in peace, they had much more chance than the Jews ever had. And I don't think, as I said, I don't think that they should be allowed to die because they are old. Did they care whether they put in 90-year-olds into the gas chambers or whether they put in a 3-month-old baby into the gas chamber?
On Thursday, a 2-minute silence will be held at the Vad Yashem Museum in Israel in remembrance of the 6 million Jews killed in the Nazi Holocaust. I am Anne Salter. For the latest news and updates, go to ibtimes.co.uk.